Have you ever noticed something very strange? We normally life like our mother, or you get angry like your father. You worry exactly like your grandmother. Something resembles like traits being passed on. And sometimes your child reacts exactly like you do. Same tone, same kind of habits, same stress. And we call it हम तो एक जैसे ही हैं. But it is not personality, and it is not coincidence as well. This is called conditioning. In psychology, this specific pattern is known as a conditioning. The nervous system learns by the repetition. Whatever environment you grow up in, your body adapts to it. If a home is a tense, the body learns to live in the tension. If emotions are suppressed, the body learns to suppress. If anger is loud, the body learns the anger. No one teaches this. It is being absorbed automatically because children don't learn through advices. They learn through the emotional atmosphere. So, our nervous system constantly sync with each other, and this is called co-regulation. See, if someone in the room is anxious, you can feel it, right? And if someone is calm, we feel relaxed. We just don't think together, we regulate together. So, families don't only pass beliefs, they pass the states of being. This is why the patterns repeats without trying. If your parents never rested, you will feel guilty resting. If conflict felt unsafe, you will avoid speaking up. If the love is meant the overgiving, you will become an overpleaser. You don't choose all these things consciously. Your body learned just by being in that kind of atmosphere, being in that situation. So, for example, this is a glass of water and I touch it. So, see, the water ripples. And the ripples always happens outward. Our emotional states works the same way. If you are tense, it will spread. If you are calm, it spreads too. This is how the conditioning travels through generationals, quiet and automatic. But now, here it is an important part. The same way stress passes forward, so does the regulation. If you learn to slow your breath, if you respond instead of react, if your body feels safe, the next generation feels safer too. You don't have to teach this. They automatically feel it because nervous system copies safety just like they copy stress. So breaking generational patterns does not mean fixing your whole family. It also does not mean dramatic conversations within the family. It is actually much simpler. It just means regulating yourself. Focus on yourself, fix yourself, see, become aware yourself through breathing, through pausing, through very gentle body movement, choosing differently in the small, very micro moments of your daily routine. When one person changes their state, this is the moment when the chain weakens and slowly the old conditioning stops there. It stops traveling forward. So, this work is not only personal, it is relational, it is generational. When you regulate your nervous system, you are just not changing your own life, you are changing what has been passed on to you. And sometimes one steady A regulated person is enough to change the entire family story.